Now we move on to section 4, which is exercising RNN to solve two time series problems. Now, first of all, we understand the recurrent neural network and the need for LSTM. Then, next, we move on to understanding the implementation part of RNN. Then, we apply our understanding onto a project which involves predicting the monthly river flow of Turtle River in Ontario. Next, we understand the long short-term memory cells and how to predict the next line of paragraph using them. Now, we move on to understanding the RNN and the need for LSTM cells. Now, what is RNN? Now, here you can see we pass input and we get output, and we use this output for the next iteration. Exactly right. You are getting it. Likewise, in the t-minus step of the iteration, we are using the output as the input for the next time iteration. And similarly, the HT output is being used as an input for the next iteration, that is xt plus 1. So basically RNN crux, you can understand it is for those time series data sets which have some relationship, and that relationship, which means the next output is literally dependent upon some of the feedback from the previous iteration. I hope you are getting it. Good. Now, this rectangular block, which is a RNN cell, is actually a layer which is composed of many neurons. Now, what is LSTM cell? LSTM cells, that is the long short-term memory cells, are used in case the previous memory of computation from the network is required for a long time. Likewise, in the data sets, when the relationship of the data is so interlinked and it has to be kept in mind for our network to perform well, and that too for a long time, then LSTM cells come into play.